Welcome to the Python Dev Tool, and in this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you the history of Python. So let's get started. This is the course outline. The first video was what is programming and importance of programming. I have uploaded it already. If you want, go check that out. And this is the second video, which is history of programming languages, which is generally Python. And in the third video, Python with other languages. And in that video you're going to know why I chose Python over other languages like Swift, Java, JavaScript. There are many pretty languages around. So in the third video you're going to know why I chose over other languages. So next, coming to the history of Python. Python was founded by Theodore Van Rossum, and the conceived year of Python is 1980s. The conceived year is simply the year on which the idea strikes the founder, and the implemented year was December 1989. And that's the year when Python was started implementing on computer devices. And here's the pic of the author on the right side. So let's go to the version history. So Python 1.0 was released on January 1994, and 1.5 was released on December 31st, 1997, and 1.6 was released on 2000. These are the subversions of 1.0. Next, the Python 2.0, which was released on October 16, 2000, which contains many pretty features compared to the Python 1.0, and it has some subversions till Python 2.7, which was released on July 3, 2010. And after that, Python 3.0, which was started development on December 3, 2008, and the present Python version which we are using right now, it's Python 3.8, which was released on October 14, 2019. And detailed version is here we go. In 1994, Python 1.0 was released with the new features like Lambda, Map, Filter, and Reduce. Python 2.0 added new features such as list comprehensions, garbage collection systems. And on December 3, 2008, Python 3.0, also called as Py3k, was released. It was designed to rectify the fundamental flaw of the language. And here are some cool facts about Python. Average Python developer salary in the United States is $1,27,450 per annum, which is, if we convert it into Indian currency, it will be like 1 crores estimated value. And the developer community strength of Python is 15 million. It's pretty huge. It's damn huge. It's 15 million. There are many developers around the globe working on Python every day, every night, every second. And ABC was the programming language which was the predecessor of Python, and it was capable of error handling and interfacing with Amoeba operating system. Okay, thank you for watching. This is just a short video on history of Python, and in the next video I'm going to be showing you Python as other languages. And be sure to subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates on tech related videos and tech courses.